In this video, we will be solving the following example about quadratic equations. The question says plot the curve y equal minus 3x squared plus 3x plus 6 in the range of x greater than or equal to minus 2 and less than or equal to 6. As usual, the top row is the range and the first column is our variables. Now for the first one, I'm going to do it right here on the side. Replace x by minus 2, so it's going to be minus 3 into minus 2 squared, which is basically minus 3 times 4, which is minus 12. Now for the second one, minus 1 squared is 1, 1 times minus 3 is minus 3, 0 times minus 3 is 0, 1 times minus 3 is minus 3, 2 squared times minus 3 is 4 times minus 3, which is minus 12, and 9 times minus 3 is minus 27. Now for the second one, minus 2 times 3 is 6, minus 1 times 3 is minus 3, 0 times minus 3 is 0, 1 times minus 3 is 3, 2 times 3 is 6, and 3 times 3 is 9. 6 stays the same, and as usual, y is the sum. So, minus 12 minus 6 plus 6 is minus 12, minus 3 plus 6 is 0, this one is 6, minus 3 plus 6 is 6, minus 12 plus 6 plus 6 is 0, and minus 27 plus 9 plus 6 is minus 12.